Hey guys, this is D Penguin, and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the Logitech gaming keyboard G110. I just got this in the mail, and I'm ready to unbox it. So let's open this thing up. I'm currently using an iPhone 3GS to record this video because I didn't really want to take out all the equipment and do it. So yeah, let's open it up. That's my knife I used to open it up. So yeah, sliding the thing out. Yep, it's out. Okay. Let's open the main thing, yeah, guys. Okay, first you get the keyboard. Yes, really nice. The keyboard. It's got plastic covering over it. Connects. I see manuals and drivers. The manual, yeah, whatever. Drivers always install online. The latest version online. So yes. Next, oh, we see a palm rest, a detachable palm rest for it. That's what I like about it, because sometimes the palm rest does get annoying, and I like to attach it off, like detach it, yeah. So let's open the plastic cover. Okay, wow, really nice keyboard. Typing is silent, okay. We got a headphone output and a microphone output. Really nice. We got also a USB output too. Wow, amazing. Okay, now we're gonna open the palm rest. I'm not gonna attach it because I don't know. Well, I don't really know how to attach it yet, so I gotta read the manual. It looks a little bit cheap plastic. I think this is gonna be a con of the keyboard. The palm rest is kind of not the greatest quality. But yes, this is my unboxing, guys. I will do a review after 1 week. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. And thank you for watching, guys. This is D Penguin signing out.